Hi, everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Markets in Asia Pacific rose largely as investors hoped for a cooling inflation in the U.S. to boost investor sentiment. European markets were quiet Monday as investors evaluated the inflation and growth outlooks in light of recent data, along with the start of earnings season. Mid-morning, the Pan-European Stoxx 600 index rose 0.1%. The dollar index trades at the flatline, up for around 0.03%. After climbing to $1,929 per ounce in the last 9 months, gold prices stabilized. Prices reached $1,929 an ounce earlier in the session. This was their highest level since April. Although the WTI has consolidated today, it is still in a local uptrend. Asian Pacific market. According to official data, Japan's wholesale prices or producer prices rose 10.2% in December compared to a year ago. This was more than the 9.5% rise expected by economists polled at Reuters. It also marked the third consecutive monthly rise in readings. Producer prices in the nation rose 0.5% monthly, which was also higher than expected to see an increase of 0.3%. China's December home prices dropped 1.5% on an annualized basis in December, according to Refinitiv calculations based on data from the National Bureau of Statistics. The Japanese yen hit a new high against the US dollar, while the Australian dollar found support within the trend and is also trying to climb. Market of Europe. This week, the European markets are focusing on the World Economic Forum in Switzerland. Davos hosts business and state leaders as well as academics and innovators. Delegates will discuss and debate the key themes of war in Ukraine, economic instability, uncertainty, and climate change. Although the euro is on the rise, it appears that it will face resistance at the 1.850 level against the greenback. Sterling broke resistance at the 1.2250 level in relation to the US dollar and then returned to the local range. Market of America. Today's news calendar is very light due to the Martin Luther King Day celebrations in the United States. Canada doesn't provide any other significant data. The Canadian dollar is poised to reaffirm its recent highs against greenback. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.